Through this video, we will show you how to find ranking or top keywords for your content. After you prepare your content, open your browser and go to this website. I'm gonna publish this video on YouTube, so select YouTube tab and set the targeted country. And here I'm gonna put a cake making video. So I will search as how to make a butter cake. Now you will get a bunch of keywords on the left box. I'm not using all these keywords. I will select a few of them. You can see the selecting keywords are appearing on the right side box. And go to this export drop-down and select Copy to Clipboard. Open a new tab and go to kwfinder.com. Once you go there, sign up. There is a 10 days free trial for this, and thereafter you can sign up with another email account. I will sign in, because I already have an account. Once you logged in, go to the above import button. Now go write the keyword area and paste what you have copied. Now press Process Keywords button. Now you can see the result. Now you don't need to worry about the CPC and PPC. CPC means cost per click. And PPC means pay per click. Here the important part is search count. This will show you how many times it has been searched the particular keyword. And the other important factor is KD. KD means keyword difficulty. If this KD section has a higher value, it means that keyword is a trending one. You can view these results for 12 months, 6 months, and for 3 months. I recommend you to get 12 months results. Let's sort the search column according to the ascending order. First, you have to identify trending keywords which is on KD column. And then use other keywords on the search column for the second set. Okay, I'm gonna use my keyword list like this. You can see, I have used the whole trending keyword which is on the KD column. I have marked them in red color. And other single keywords which are on the search column I have used in blue color. And the rest of the keywords I have used in green color. Remember this sequence when you're using keywords in future. And remember to use trending keywords in your title, description, and relevant keyword section as well. Hope this video has helped you. I'll see you next time.